Okay, now turn on your listening ears. Is it a phone or a rabbit? Good job! It's a phone! Well done! Is it a glass or wooden spoon? Good job! It's a glass, a breaking glass. Is it a bus or a doorbell? Great job! It's a doorbell. Is it a door or a horse? Well done! It's a door. Is it a fire or a box? Fire! Well done! Is it a ball or an ice? Good listening! It's an ice. Is it a train or a toilet flush? Great job! It's a toilet flush. Is it cutting or clock? Clock! Good job! Is it a bike or a soda? Yes, it's a soda! Good job! Is it a swimming pool or a vacuum? Well done! It's a vacuum! Yay! Good job!